So we're going to be talking about this cross necklace here that I have on. Super cute, very versatile. Men and women can use it. You can use it for every day, or you can also use it for going out. Look how shiny that is. So when you purchase this, it comes with a little kit, a kit of authenticity. So it's the GRA Mossient report. So then it tells you, you can open it up and it tells you, you know, the shape of it, what color is it, what does it weigh, basically giving you all the information. Also too, with this, it comes with a little card of authenticity here, so you can know all the information about it. Also too, it comes with a little napkin, so you can go ahead and clean it every day. Super cute. I love this. I wear this every single day. Give it a try.